Hello students, so welcome to the Digital Pathshala KML. So in this video we will talk about nicknames of the famous personalities. So famous personalities means those who are very popular across different parts of the world and they are well known personalities. So everybody knows about them. We study in books also, in the magazines also, है So and we see them on the different media channels also, and there is a conversation about them also. And because of their popularity they get different names by the people. So firstly you have to understand that what is nickname. So nickname is not the actual name which is used in a formal situations. So अगर आप देखें that we use nicknames when these are given by the people, when these are given by our family members, either they can be friends or like siblings also, or the mother, father. So anybody can give these kind of titles, but some titles are based on our personality, some are given on the basis of the character which we play in the society. Yeah, that it depends upon the role which we play. Okay, so there are the different categories on which, okay, we can get the nicknames. So we will talk about some of the famous personalities in this video. So just let's start now. So firstly I will talk about one of the popular person across all parts of the world. Everybody knows his name, and it is Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi has got many titles, or we can say the nicknames, and these are given by some of the famous personalities like father of the nation. So this title is given by the Subhash Chandra Bose, and we all know that Subhash Chandra Bose also have a nickname, that is Netaji. Okay, and next that you can see that Bapu. So Bapu is one of the nickname which is given by our prime minister, former prime minister, and we can say that the first prime minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, so this title is given by the Jawaharlal Nehru, Bapu. And third you can see that Mahatma. So he got this title by the Rabindranath Tagore, so who is first Nobel laureate person in our country, and he gave this title because of his work and the popularity which he had at that time when there was a struggle against for the independence. Now let's come to the next person, that is a, okay, sports person, and his name is Rahul Dravid. So why he has got this title, the wall? So Rahul Dravid got this title because of his, okay, staticness at the pitch. So when he used to play, so that nobody could, okay, do anything when he stood, okay, at the pitch. तो जब ये पिच पे खड़े हुआ करते थे आपका, so that है ना, whoever the bowler, ठीक है, he is, that whether he is the fastest bowler, it doesn't matter. When he is coming from the boundary and he is just giving a ball which is very high speed, so उसको भी आपके क्या करते थे, that he just push it so that nobody could, ठीक है, out him. So it was very difficult for the bowler to, ठीक है, out him. So this is the main thing, so because of which that he got this title. Now next, that Dhyan Chand. So his name is Dhyan Singh, but this Chand is also the title which he got by his friends, because he used to play in the night. That's why he got this title Chand, and he gave so many splendid performances, okay, in his life, and when he played the hockey, that's why he got this title, the wizard, the magician, जिसको हम कहते हैं, ठीक है, हॉकी का जादूगर. So that he won gold medals in the Olympic Games, and which gave such kind of titles to this person. So he is the legend in hockey. Now let's come to the next, that is Lala Lajpat Rai. So Lala Lajpat Rai is a very, popular name, and he is freedom fighter, and he was from Punjab. And you can see this thing that because of his state that he got this title, that Punjab Kesari, and he was also considered a that lion. ठीक है, तो इनको आपका शेर पंजाब. So that this was a title which was also given to him, and he fought in a very, brave manner, and that he died while he was fighting, okay, against the Jallianwala Bagh. So at that time that he was died by the lathi charge. Okay, So another title is that Lal. So because of that, you can say that there were three things which were given to three persons: Lal, Bal, Pal. So Lal is given to Lala Rajpat Rai, Bal Bipin Chandra Pal. So Pal is given to the Bipin Chandra Pal. So in this way that some of the people who were together, so they were extremist. तो जो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा फाइट करे थे आपका इंडिया के इंडिपेंडेंस के लिए, एंड दे वांटेड स्वराज. Now next, that Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So he is not now the captain. So now the captain is Virat Kohli. But when he was a captain, so he used to play in such a way that he planned the game in such a way that he could not become angry whatever the situation is there. तो कोई भी situation हो आपका, so he was he is very calm person. So he did not have anger if he faced any difficult situation or circumstances, okay, while playing. So that's why that he got this title Captain Cool. But in the last time, means that when he was about to be retired, so at that time that somebody just blamed that he is not now the Mr. Cool. Okay. Now next, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. So he is the first prime minister, and he died in 1964. So from 1947 till 1964 he remained prime minister of our country, and he got these titles like Chacha Nehru. And we all know that we celebrate Children's Day on 14 November. So we celebrate that day because of Chacha Nehru. So he loved children so much, and people used to say Chacha to him, and because of that he got this title Chacha Nehru. So Nehru is the surname and Chacha is given by the children. Now Pandit, so this is also the title which was given by the people who were along with him, so who were colleague of him. So they gave this Pandit title, and he was Pandit also. Next you can see that Rani Lakshmi Bai. So Rani Lakshmi Bai, yeah, she was also freedom fighter, and she got this title Jhansi Ki Rani because she fought bravely to protect अपने जो रीजन था उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, झांसी को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए she fought in a splendid manner, and she died. So she did not have any child, so she adopted, and there was a one doctrine of lapse which was adopted by the Britishers, because of which that she died while protecting. ठीक है, अपने किले को, फोर्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करते हुए ये ख़त्म हो गई थी आपका. नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी दैट सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल. So he is the legend person, and you can see this thing that now that there is a statue of unity which is made for that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So he got different titles like Iron Man of India because of his determination and the way he fought. So he was fully determined person. Nobody could just shackle him, or we can say that tremble him. So this is the main thing. And Bismarck of India. Bismarck of India means that because he played a very important role in making इंडिया एज अ यूनाइटेड नेशन. तो इंडिया को यूनाइट करने में इनका बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा है आपका. सो देवर सो मैनी प्रिंसली स्टेट्स विच केम टुगेदर बिकॉज ऑफ हिज कंट्रीब्यूशन. And Sardar, when there was a Satyagraha movement, so he participated in that movement and he led that movement. That's why he got this title Sardar. Next, he is one of the famous personality in sports, or we can say the cricket. So they are the different. Everybody knows his name, Sachin Tendulkar, and he has different nicknames like Little Master, God of Cricket, Master Blaster. So Little Master because that he became popular, or he performed in an extraordinary way when he was not of means ज़्यादा एज के नहीं थे आपका. So that's why that he got this title. And God of the Cricket because that he knew all kind of tricks, that how we have to just play any ball, and he was also calm also, that's why that he got the title God of the Cricket. And Master Blaster, this is the title which was given by the Don Bradman, so who was from Australia. So these are the different titles which are belonging to this person, that is Sachin Tendulkar. So I hope that you have understood. So if you like this video, so please share, like and subscribe this channel. Bye everyone.